So today I'm bringing you the brand new the Moto MK-07 light. So these are the aux lights that I ordered from my Himalayan 450. So inside we get these Moto stickers. The MG is not the Morris Garage, but the MG stands for Moto This is really good, the wiring diagram. So we can do it ourselves, DIY. What we get is two lights, the harness, extra cable to connect to the bike's high beam, the clamps, which other brands don't provide for free, the zip ties, the switch. Even the switch does have an inbuilt light, so during the dark these switches actually glow. There are no loose wires, we just couple it directly